First of all, let me introduce you to this course, which is on parts of speech, sometimes known as word classes. So parts of speech is basically the classical name of those units that make language. Every language uses words. Okay, I mean mostly I would say. So we are only talking about English at the moment. So English uses words to create sentences, paragraphs, and compositions. Now, these are different types of words. These words which you use in a sentence, they belong to different categories. So when we determine their categories, we actually determine their word classes. So for example, if you say a sentence, in that sentence each word belongs to different category. This is a unit basically. So these small units make a sentence. So that is known as parts of speech or word classes. Okay, so if we don't know the category of the word or the word class, then it is difficult to use, because we need to know which comes first, which comes after, what type of things we need to use, and all that type of stuff. Okay, so in this course we will be talking about each and everything in detail, but this first presentation is just an introduction to what we are going to learn in this one. Okay, but the most important thing is what you learn is fine, but as long as you practice what you learn, that's okay. Now if you don't practice, okay, so remember, then your learning will will not work. I mean, it's not useful. So whatever you learn here in this course, try to do that at home whenever you find time. Find examples, write things, and try to find examples of each and everything that you learn in this course. All right, so let's look at the resources that I've used to create this presentation. Now that is particularly aimed at GCSE and functional skills students, functional skills all levels, and these are some of the books that I have used to create this presentation, all of them very authentic resources. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about grammatical hierarchy. Now alphabet stands at the first step, or it is the first thing. Then alphabet joins together to make word, and then words join together to make phrases, and then phrases join together to make clauses or sentences or incomplete sentences, and then sentences. So these are some of the grammatical units, okay, that constitute a hierarchy in which the sentence is at the highest level. Okay, so I'll explain it in detail, so don't worry about if this is too much writing. Second thing is, if you can write a sentence, you can write paragraphs and long pieces of writing, which is known as composition, because the thing that the art is to write a sentence. Okay, if you have control over that, then you can write as many sentences as you can. I normally tell my students, if you can write one sentence, you can write 1,000 sentences. Okay, so how to write a sentence, this is what we are going to learn here. So for example, this is just a kind of, you could say, parody. Sentence is a thing wherein we will have to catch the skill of everything. This comes basically from Shakespeare, and in Shakespeare's play Hamlet, Hamlet says, the play is the thing wherein I'll catch the conscience of the king. So which means that sentence is at the center of your universe. Okay, if we know how to write a sentence, we know how to write other things. All right, so grammatical hierarchy is this way. So what I said in the previous slides, I would show you here. Okay, so the first thing is, look, the first step, so this is a kind of staircase. These are steps. Okay, the higher you go, the better you get, and the higher you go, the more complicated it gets. So for example, alphabet stands at the center, or the first step, which is A to Z. Okay, there's 26 letters. Then these alphabets, they combine together, they join together to make words. Okay, for example, let's say we talk about an example. Let's say dog, or let's say cat, or let's say a teacher. So cat, C-A-T. So 3 alphabets join together to make word. Now this is where we have to apply the parts of speech or the word classes. Now every word belongs to a different category, so we will come to that later on, but this is just an introduction. This is just an image of the things that you are going to learn in this course. The second thing is, when words join together, they make phrases, and you could see that this is the third step. Okay, and then the fourth step is clause. Okay, so which is a kind of sentence. I'll explain it to you later. And then the fifth and the last one is sentence. So you could see that it goes higher and higher, taller and taller, which means that more grammar is involved here. Now once you learn these things, then you are capable to do step 6, which is writing paragraphs. Okay, and once you start writing paragraphs, then the next thing is composition, because couple of paragraphs means composition. Okay, so as sentences join together to make paragraphs, in the same way paragraphs join together to make essays or letters or composition or long pieces of writing. So you could say that a composition is just like paragraph, because in paragraph sentences join to make paragraphs. In composition, paragraphs join to make composition. I hope you understand that. So let us move on to the next slide. Okay, so this is the image that we need to use here. As is clear from the diagram, the alphabet stands at the lowest level. So here is the lowest level, and the sentence stands at the highest level. I mean, we're talking about this unit only, okay, because we need to learn this thing first. This comes after. This is not difficult. The thing that is difficult is number 5, writing a sentence. I wouldn't say difficult, but that needs skill. Hence the alphabet, English alphabet, involves minimum amount of grammar. Okay, so just to make you understand, there's no amount of grammar, or we couldn't say that okay, alphabet takes only 1 kilogram of grammar and sentence takes 15. No, this is just to make you understand, just to make your concept clear. The sentence involves the maximum amount of grammar. In other words, the application of grammar from the lowest position, that is the alphabet, from this position to the highest position, this one, where the sentence increases by degrees. So it gradually increases. Okay, as you start writing complex things, more and more grammar starts getting in. Okay, so this is what we are going to talk about in this course. What we will do is, we will look at the alphabet, we will look at different words, word classes, and then how to make phrases, how to make clauses, sentences, how to write paragraphs, and how to write compositions. Okay, so that's enough for this one. And I'm sure that you know what to do and what to learn in this course, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and all the best.